Hey, what's up, folks at home? The Tape Waster here. Today we're gonna Today we're gonna set up my Qidi Tech 3D printer. It came pre-packaged like this, and from what I know, it's mostly pre-assembled. So let's cut her open. I'm super excited. Like I said, I've never had one before. Well, technically I have. It was a DIY one. Didn't really work too well, so I decided to spend the extra money and get this guy, which I heard a lot of really good reviews. And supposedly it's just like the Flash Forge. Like I said, first time 3D printer, so you probably know more than me, so correct me if I'm wrong. I ordered this on Amazon and it came in about 4 days. Nice! Sweet. Alright. Let's get rid of it. I have like a million backup bulbs, but now you know why this side of the room is dim. Alright, let's keep going. Already feeling a lot better than my DIY one. But I know some people who have these and they have a lot of good things to say about it. Seems pretty reliable, so. Wow. This is a little bed for PLA printing. Here's the quick start guide, the leveling paper, and all of the components we need. Has this nice scraper it comes with for getting the prints off of the bed. And these are all our cables, some hosing, power supply. It comes with 2 filaments. So this one, I'm not sure if this is PLA, and it's orange PLA. It's fluorescent, it's kind of cool. And this is some white ABS that it comes with. So you get 2 different kinds right off the bat, PLA and ABS. And this printer is definitely good for ABS because it has an enclosure built around it. And from my understanding, the sides actually come off so that you can relieve some of the heat when you're printing PLA. So for now, I'm gonna put this on the ground and we're gonna get the printer on the table. Here she is. So, right off the bat, really sturdy metal framing all around it. I'm gonna be extra careful and cut this plastic off. So there's tons of styrofoam. It looks like it comes really well packed. No damages that I see from shipping. Caution, do not remove the wrapping around the nozzle. Good thing I looked. If print with PLA filament, please remove the lid, open the front door and 2 side windows to ventilate and for a better printing performance. So the kit contains a 3D printer, acrylic covers, handles, spare part box, nice, power cable, USB cable, 2 filaments, a spool holder, an SD card reader, like a little USB adapter, a glue stick, a scraper, and there's the dog. A filament tube, user manual, acrylic covers, turbofan baffle, leveling paper, PC glue, and now I gotta go tell the dog to stop. Also, they have their customer service number here, and from my understanding, they have amazing customer service should anything go wrong or you have any questions. Take out the acrylic cover accessories from the bottom of the box. I have not done that, so let's do that. Nice. Acrylic cover, looks like it maybe goes on the top. Oh. So, I already know I'm gonna have to call them because my acrylic cover is broken. All right. I guess that's, it's probably not good to put the acrylic in the bottom. It was enclosed in styrofoam, but... So here is our dual extruders here, wrapped pretty nicely with a cable. Seems like these are spool holders here. Next, I'll install the dual extruder. The extruder comes mostly assembled, but I'll be attaching it to the printer with its included bolts. Comes with a handy little toolkit that includes everything you need. Some cable straps, some screwdrivers, a wrench, Allen wrench. There's actually a few fuses in here too, which is really nice. I'm actually gonna turn this around. Sorry guys, but I have to be able to see. Unfortunately, my GoPro died and I lost some of my footage here. Sorry guys. Alright, the extruders are on. Next is install the turbofan mouthpiece. The turbofan mounts easily to the side of the extruders with a single bolt. This one didn't take too long. This plastic cover here is actually magnetic, so it just pops right on, making it super easy. Yeah. The side windows also have magnets on them, so let's pop those on. Next, I'll install the front acrylic cover and its handle. The package comes with 2 hinges that mount directly to the front of the printer and then to the acrylic panel. As mentioned earlier, even though my panel's cracked, it'll do for now until I can get a replacement. I already messaged the company. This one's got a few more screws than the others. There we go. Handle is installed, crack and all, but that's okay. It'll still keep most of the heat in. So we have our side covers, our front cover, which is magnetic, which is awesome, and our front little guy here. So moving on. Now I'm installing the printer's handles on either side. There are 2 screw holes for the bolts to go through, and then they screw directly into each of the handles. This is a pretty nice touch because not all printers have this. There we go. Handles are installed. Next we'll install the filament spool holders. The spool holders also have an included bolt to mount directly to the back of the printer. This means no additional spool caddies, and the filament can feed nicely into the guide tubes. Come on, get up on there, there we go. Alright guys, with our everything installed, I believe it is now time to give a print our first try. Oh, let's plug her in. Alright, time to power up. There is a switch in the back here. Oh. Nice, and she plays a little tune. First of all, we haven't fed our filament into the extruder, so let's see what it has to say about that. Utilities. Filament loading. We'll do load right. Ooh, it's sucking it in. There it goes. All right, we are filament loaded. Now we're printing PLA, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the sides. Then we'll need to enter the bed leveling menu to get ready to level. Alright, so we're going to begin leveling. And it should be about the thickness of the paper, so we manually move the extruder and tighten these knobs here. So that's pretty tight there. So now we're gonna move it to the right side. Whoa. Now all I'm doing here is using the leveling paper to ensure that all sides are equally level. Then I'll go back and double check, and then we should be ready to print. And we have test files to print from. So let's click OK and exit out of this. Press the center button. All right, let's make our first print. 3D printer. Down to test files. We are printing PLA. And let's press it. And there it goes. I wanted to clarify that I bought this with my own money. Qidi did not supply me with this. I am in no way doing this for them. I simply read my reviews, talked to some friends, and everybody recommended this one. It's a good price. It's modeled after the Flash Forge, and quite honestly, it's about to start. I went for my first print. I had some stringing going on and it wasn't perfect, so I'm attempting number 2. It's already looking a lot better since I put the glue stick on the bed. It's sticking way better. It's not dragging along, and we'll see how it does. But honestly, from start to print, I would say under an hour and a half, which is phenomenal because I had a DIY printer for about 8 months, and every time I took it out to try and get it to complete a print, it just didn't work. Honestly, I'm quite impressed with this thing. It's super sturdy. There's tons of support online. Like I said, this front plate came broken from shipping. I already called and talked to Qidi themselves, and they're supplying me with a new one for free. So thanks for checking it out. Check out. Find me on social media. Check me out on All About Circuits. Thanks, guys. See you later.